Foshan Veagoo Intelligent Packaging Equipment Company Limited is located on the second floor of Building 2, Zone F, core area of New Light Source Industrial Base, Luochun, Shishan Town, Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. Our senior engineers have more than 10 years of experience in the design and development of material sorting lines and automatic packaging machinery. As all we know, we're facing the problem which rising labor costs. Work efficiency is eager to improve. Under the situation of automatic packaging, the integration of industry resources is becoming more and more important. Veagoo is exactly the expert of customizing different automatic packaging solutions. We have much of global sales experience. Our products are widely sold in many countries, such as America, Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa, Mid-East, Oceania, etc. Our main products include automatic feeding system, horizontal packing machine, automatic material management system, which are widely used in bread, cake, mooncakes, biscuits, wafers, chocolate, candy, egg rolls, quick frozen products, as well as other industries, such as daily chemicals and hardware. Our product fully automatic straight 1-to-1, 2 or more feeding system and packaging line. According to the packaging characteristics and requirements, it could automatically queue, sort, distribute, position, and package. Fully automatic packaging is our corporate vision. To make the dream come true, it also make our step never stop. Online factory verification is available. Welcome to visit Veagoo and negotiate for cooperation.